Hello everyone, this is Will speaking. I would like to introduce you to my first video for YouTube. I have been debating for a few months now on what I'd like to take on as my next project. And thanks to Idic Beer and Wargamer Sean, I have decided to do Space Wolves. In doing so, I brought out a pack of Blood Claws. I have rebased them to the 32mm bases. I have primed them white so I can see them better. And I like to go for a WYSIWYG for each figure. This is the Sergeant. Power Claw, a couple of knives, and not sure what else I'm going to give him yet. I apologize for the shakiness as I'm using my cell phone to do this. And I'm trying to pick out a different member of the pack. These will remain on my table as I contemplate and learn more about them and what colors I want to use, and what company I want them to belong to. As hopefully you can see, they have pouches already, they have grenades, secondary knives, some of them even have wolf tails, which should prove interesting. Thanks for watching and have a great day.